In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Steam and then hover your mouse right here at your current Steam username and then go to Profile. On your profile page, right over here, you can easily find Edit Profile. And then, once you open up the Edit Profile section, make sure you are at General Settings, and that's where you can easily find the option that allows us to change our Steam username. So now I'm gonna remove existing one, and then in that way, we can enter new one. Also, down below here, we can enter our real name that may help our friends to find us by entering our real name in search. Also, down below, we can enter custom URL for our Steam profile. However, if you just want to change your profile name, just scroll down to the very bottom where you have to tap Add Save to apply the changes. After that, as you can see at that top horizontal menu, my username has already been changed, and if we go to our profile page, we can check that here it shows a new username. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.